Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your files and getting into the console quickly. Enable the developer console in game settings, then backup config. CFG and auto-exec. CFG to a safe folder. Once done, open the console with the tilde key and type commands to query current UI values. This shows you what's active. Make sure to run as administrator or on a writable install to allow saving changes, and note which lines you'll change so you can revert if needed. Next, change the actual color values either via console or by editing auto-exec. CFG. Once you've located the UI color keys, often grouped under HUD or interface entries, input precise RGB or hex values, paste commands into auto-exec. CFG so they persist, and save the file without extra formatting. Then close Cs2 and relaunch to ensure the engine reads the modified CFG. If you prefer GUI tools, use a plain text editor and avoid. Finally, confirm the color changes across menus and in Match HUD elements. If everything matches your target, you're done. If anything looks off or crashes occur, immediately restore your backed up config files and run the game file validation through your client to repair corrupt resources. Once done, test again. One key troubleshooting tip. If custom values aren't applied, clear any conflicting commands in other CFGs and ensure auto-exec. CFG executes at launch by adding exec auto-exec. CFG to your config or launch options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.